goodness. Hi, guys. This is Princessfaith. This is my friend,
Teresa.
Today, her hair is dirty and stinky.
No!
Alright, cut. Nah, cut. This is like 4A, 4B texture. But we are going to do the same thing I did in my last video, which is the pre-poo, the shampoo, and conditioning. But today we're going to switch it up. I will be using a scalp treatment to relieve her scalp of any like dandruffs and buildup. And I'm going to leave the description below what's in this bottle. This is warm water and some little more goodies in this. And I'm going to be introducing this bottle. I will do a voiceover for what I'm doing for this. So without further ado, let's go. Let's get this hair done. Hey, what's up, y'all? So what I'm doing right now is spraying her scalp. And basically what I have in this bottle is warm water with some peppermint oil inside of it. Now, you can also use tea tree oil. The benefits of both oils is that they help with scalp itchiness and dandruff. So I am doing this to make my washing process easy and to also soften up that buildup that she has on her scalp. Now, you can always cleanse your scalp whenever you want to remove buildup or product buildup, but sometimes you just get dandruff and you want to just soften it off and make your washing process easy, and this is what you can do. You don't always have to use bentonite clay mask every time you wash your hair. That's something you want to do every 6 weeks. But what about when the 6 weeks is not up yet and you want to still cleanse your scalp? So what I do is just mix my bottle with those two things and spray it on my scalp. I'm also going to do her pre-poo method, but before that, I'm just putting this on her scalp first to soften it up. And also, I'm using my fingers to run the products through her scalp so it sets in. I'm not using the part of my fingers with the nails on it. I'm using the tips of my fingers to massage it into her scalp so it sets in. So keep that in mind when you're doing this. Alright, y'all, back to the non-toxic root comb applicator bottles. This bottle can be used for just about anything for the scalp, whether it's a hot oil treatment or herbal oil applications. It can even be used for cream color root touch-ups. But here, I'm using it for the pre-poo method. I have my extra virgin olive oil in my bottle, and it's helping me apply it onto my friend's hair from the root to the tips of her hair. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with the way I'm talking today? And just as I normally do with my pre-poo, if I'm not going to leave it overnight, I'm just going to sit under a blow dryer with my hair wrapped up for about 30 minutes. So today I'm using a different shampoo method. We're not using the sink or nothing. I just got warm water in the spray bottle and I'm spraying it onto her hair. And I'm using the applicator bottle to apply the shampoo onto her thick natural hair. Again, this bottle definitely benefits those with thick afro textured hair. It actually provides an even distribution of any liquid products that you use. So when I use the pre-poo, the olive oil for the pre-poo, and also the shampoo, it just applied the product easily without wasting it. Also, I didn't have to use my fingertips to wash her hair. All I had to do was massage her hair with the comb tip. And that was pretty dope. Like, yes, period. Also, did I mention that you use less product when you use this root applicator bottles? That's really dope. So now it's conditioning time. I'm basically doing the same thing that I did for pre-poo and shampoo, which is to make use of this bottle. The only thing you need to keep in mind is that after you're done with each product, you have to empty it back into its original bottle, because at the end of the day, it's helping you save product, so you're just dumping it back into the bottle and you're pouring in the new product. But here is her hair washed and cleaned out. We are doing the Loc method today, and I have grapeseed oil in my hands and I'm rubbing it into her hair thoroughly. Just as I did for my hair in the last video, I kind of go over the same spot over and over again so that the oil can prevent water from escaping from her hair. And then we're going to use the leave-in conditioner by The Main Choice. Absolutely love this product. Applying a decent amount into that section and rubbing it in just as I did for the oil, and I'm sectioning her hair into little twists. Today we're just doing twists, and we're gonna leave it out when the twist dry. But yeah, I'm just parting her hair, y'all. But I know I kind of sped up a lot of parts in this video. I just want you guys to know that when you're applying your oils or your creams, and I know I didn't use the bottles for those parts, that's only because I just really want to feel her hair as I'm running the oil and the cream into her hair so that her hair can retain moisture. So you want to make sure that you do that anytime you are doing your LOC or LCO method, whatever works for you. I found that with my low porosity hair and her low porosity hair, the LOC works best. Some people only do LO or LC. But here is the result right now. Girl, she's so pretty. But anyways, look at her hair, guys. It's so cute. I just really love how she styled her twists. They are so cute. Y'all can definitely try this out and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.